So people, listen me I tell you. So remember the last time we had the coconut drops? Well, this is the Gizzada, which is basically become like a cousin to the coconut drops. We just had some sent over. Alright, so you know what to drop on the bed. As you can clearly see, this are the crust. It's actually flour made, actually baking. And then this now are the coconut drops. Can't beat them. You just can't beat it. And I've eaten it. I've eaten it in a while, but I've also eaten it outside of Jamaica. But you can't beat the real deal, I tell you. See there? Whoa. Here's a crazy vibe.